Hello student. Today we are going to discuss type of overlapping in chemical bonding. The overlapping of atomic orbitals depending upon the type of covalent bond. It divided into two types, sigma bond and pi bond. Sigma bond, it also known as head-on overlap. Head-on overlap, these are perfectly hybrid. It is also known as end-to-end hand-on overlapping by bonding orbital. It is such as three type. First is SS overlapping, two half filled s orbital overlap, S and S to form sigma bond like this given in the picture. Sp overlapping, it is formed between the half filled s and half filled p orbital. P orbital have double shape, then they are always form sigma bond. It's called sp overlapping. Third is pp overlapping. In half-filled p orbitals of two atoms. These are head-on overlapping. They are always form sigma bond. On the other hand, pi bond form side-wise overlap of two half atomic orbital. Like this, pp orbital, these wise side-wise overlapping, atomic orbital overlap in such a way that their axes remain parallel to each other and perpendicular to the internuclear axis. These are formed pi bond. Look the picture properly. In sigma bond, overlapping of orbital take place to a large extent. Right? In the other hand, pi bond overlap occur in a small extent. Therefore, sigma bond is stronger than the pi bond. Pi bond is weak while sigma bond is stronger. After the studying of the sigma and pi bond, we are going to discuss hybridizations. What is hybridizations? Hybrid, the process of intermixing of orbital of different energies so as to redistribute their energy, resulting in the formation of new set of orbitals of equivalent energy and shape. It means different energies orbital are intermixed to form a new set of equivalent energies is called hybridizations. That's clear? Is called hybridizations. And now we are going to discuss the main features of the hybridization. First is sp hybridization. In sp hybridization, one s and one p orbital intermix to form a equivalent sp hybridizations. Those have valency 2 to show sp hybridization. Like this, Be have 2s2 2p0. It means they have 2 electron in s orbital and 0 electron in p orbital. It means p orbital are present but vacant. In excited state, one electron jump to the p orbital. One electron jump to p orbital and form sp hybridization and form shape linear. Here, one in S, one in P is called sp hybridization. sp2 hybridization, one s and 2p orbital are intermixed to form sp2 hybridization. These are a mistake. It is sp2 hybridization, not sp3. It is such as a human mistake. It is sp2 hybridization, like bcl3. B have 5 atomic number. They have 2s2, 2p1. It means they have 2 electron in s orbital and 1 electron in p orbital. Then in excited state, 1 electron jump into the 2p orbital and form in 1 r contributes and then s, and 2 r contributes by p and form sp2 hybridizations, and they form trigonal planar. sp3 hybridization, in sp3 hybridization 1s and 3p orbital hybridize to form sp3 orbital hybridization. CH4 carbon acid atomic number, they have 2 electron in s orbital and also 2 electron in p orbital, like this in a ground state. In excited state, s electron jump into the p orbital and form intermix to 1s and 3p orbital to form sp3 hybridizations, and shape have tetrahedral. sp3d hybridizations, 1s, 3p and 1d orbital are intermixed to form sp3d hybridizations. For example, PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus have 15 atomic number. They have 3s2, 3p, 3 and 3d 0. It means d orbital are present but vacant. In excited state, s electron jump in d orbital and form sp3d hybridizations. It is trigonal bipyramidal. And now we are going to discuss the unique properties of the carbon. It will be discussed our next video. Thank you.